Lefant M320 Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Mop. Powerful, simple, and effective cleaning for your home. The Lefant M320 Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Mop is a reliable and efficient cleaning solution designed for those who prioritize powerful suction and straightforward operation. With its impressive 6,000 pascal suction, super slim design, and intelligent features like carpet detection, the M320 delivers a thorough clean without the complexities of Wi-Fi connectivity. Key features: 6,000 pascals powerful suction. Experience exceptional cleaning performance with the robust 6,000 pascal suction, effectively lifting dirt, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Super slim design. The ultra-thin profile allows the M320 to effortlessly navigate under furniture and reach tight spaces, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage. Visible dustbin. The transparent dustbin allows for easy monitoring of the fill level, ensuring timely emptying and uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Carpet detection. The M320 automatically adjusts its suction power when transitioning from hard floors to carpets, providing optimal cleaning performance on different surfaces. 3-in-1 mopping, sweeping, and vacuuming. This robot seamlessly integrates mopping, sweeping, and vacuuming functionalities, providing a complete cleaning solution for your home. Simple manual operation. The M320 is designed for ease of use, with straightforward manual operation that eliminates the need for complex Wi-Fi setup or app configurations. Durable and reliable. Built with high-quality materials, the M320 is designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. Professional after-sales service. Enjoy peace of mind with Lefant's professional after-sales service, providing prompt assistance for any product-related queries or maintenance needs. Specifications: suction power, 6,000 pascals. Dustbin capacity, visible dustbin. Carpet detection, yes. Design super slim. Control, manual operation. Warranty 1 year. Benefits: powerful cleaning performance. Effectively removes dirt and debris from various floor surfaces. Reaches hard to clean areas. The slim design allows for easy navigation under furniture. Easy maintenance. The visible dustbin simplifies emptying. Optimal cleaning on different surfaces. Carpet detection ensures effective cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. Simple and user-friendly. Manual operation eliminates the need for complex setup. Reliable and durable. Built for long-lasting performance. Peace of mind. Backed by professional after-sales service. Overall, the Lefant M320 Robot Vacuum Cleaner with Mop is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful and easy-to-use robot vacuum without the need for Wi-Fi connectivity. Its strong suction, slim design, and intelligent features make it a reliable and effective cleaning companion for any home.